Hey, so this is just a small video to explain in 4 easy steps how to install the random tag switch mod, which switches your ruler upon monarch death to be compatible with the Steam version of Anbennar. To start off, download the Anbennar mod and the randomizer mod from the links in the description. If you already have the Anbennar mod and just want to copy that existing installation, then you can just copy to the location where it is installed. By default, it is installed to the drive that Steam is installed on, /steam/steamsapps/workshop/content, and then those numbers on the screen. Step 1 is to copy the following files from the random tag switch mods folders into their respective Anbennar folders, and that includes the following. The tag switch disaster.txt file from the random tag switch folder into the Anbennar disaster folder. The tag switch decision.txt file from the random tag switch decisions folder into the Anbennar decisions folder. The random tag switch options, event setup, and event tag switch.txt files from the events folder into the Anbennar events folder. The tag switch disaster.dds file from the random tag switch folder into the graphics interface folder into the Anbennar disaster folder. The tag switch interface.graphics file from the random tag switch interface folder into the Anbennar interface folder. The random tag switch English.yml file and the French and German files, if you so choose, into the random tag switch localization folder into the Anbennar localization folder. Step 2 is to copy these lines of code pasted in the description below and can also be found in the random tag switch onaction.txt file into the Anbennar onaction.txt file. Roughly you want these lines to be copied into line 297 and line 2258 respectively. On screen is shown the Notepad++ version of doing this. If you don't have Notepad++ installed and just have the standard Notepad, that's fine. You can just hit Control F and search for on startup and then copy into the bottom of that line shown on screen. Then search for on monarch death and do the same thing. Step 3 is to place the Anbennar folder into your mod folder for EU to be able to see it in the EU4 launcher. In your Anbennar folder, find the .mod file and open it. Make sure that the line that says path /mod has the name of the folder that the .mod file is in after the /mod. Then copy that .mod file and place it into the /mod of the EU4 folder. Step 4 is to launch EU4 and go to Playsets. Then click on Add New Playset and name it whatever you want. From there, click on Add Mods and you should see a mod called Anbennar Public Fork or whatever you named it within the .mod file. If you don't see that mod name, then go back and redo Step 3. As a final step, the way to see if this installation is working properly is that you should see 2 pop-ups during the game startup. You should see the Great Conqueror pop-up and the pop-up for the random tag switch mod.